Hello everyone, good morning. Once again, welcome to our virtual classroom. Today we'll learn one of the very important topic, cyber security. Why it is important? Cyber security is very much important because it encompasses everything that pertains to protecting our sensitive data, personal information, and intellectual property from theft and damage attempted by criminals and adversaries. Okay, we live in a digital world working with internet, mobile computing, and electronic media. So we have to protect ourselves from frauds and cyber criminals. So today we'll learn one of the very important topic, that is cyber security. Okay, let's start with the introduction. The term cyber security is used to refer to the security offered through online services to protect our online information that we know that all we are using through online services. So we have to protect our online information from cyber crime. Okay, so that's why cyber security is very much important. So first of all, we have to know what is cyber security. Cyber security consists of technologies, processes, and controls designed to protect systems, networks, programs, devices, and data from cyber attacks. Okay, so cyber security is that means that technology we are using, that we have to protect our systems, network programs, and our devices as well as data from cyber attacks, cyber criminals. Okay, so now we will start. What is the need of cyber security? Cyber security is very much essential since it helps in securing data from threats such as data theft or misuse. Also safeguards your system from viruses. Okay, so we have to protect our data from theft or misuse, or we have to also safeguard our system from computer viruses. So how we'll do? We have to these are some major security problems like virus, hacker, malware, trojan horses, password cracking. So these are the major security problems. We have to solve this. So what are the solutions? These are the viruses and worms. First we have to discuss. Virus is a program that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against viruses. Okay, so virus is a program that is automatically it will load onto your computer without your knowledge. So what we will do, it will damage your system. So we have to protect our data from viruses. So we have to, solution is, we have to install a security suite that protects the computer against threats such as viruses and or worms. So what are the solutions? We have to install antivirus. So these are the antivirus names like Quickhill, McAfee, Panda, Norton, AVG, Avasta. So many antivirus softwares are there. We have to install to protect from viruses. Okay, so how to protect from hackers? Who are the hackers? In a common, a hacker is a person who breaks into computers usually by gaining access to administrative controls. That means hacker will break your system, break our system, computer system, and it will control our administrative power. Means they will control our system, they will crack our password. Okay, so these are the some of the types of hackers. One is a white hat hacker, gray hat hacker, and black hat hacker. These are different hackers are there. Their aim is only to hack, only to crack our passwords and hack our systems and accounts. So how to prevent hacking? So this is very important. It may be impossible to prevent computer hacking. However, effective security controls, including strong password and the use of firewalls, can help. Okay, because we cannot protect hackers. Okay, only we can protect our systems through viruses. We have to put strong passwords and on firewalls in your system so that hackers cannot hack easily. Okay, we have to protect. So another one is malware. The word malware comes from the term malicious software. Okay, that's a malware. So malware is any software that infects and damages a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permission. Okay, it will hack our systems and it will infect and damages our systems without users knowledge or permission. So these are the viruses, trojans, rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, adware. These are the malware softwares. Okay, so to stop malware, to protect, we have to download and install anti-malware or antivirus software, and also we have to activate network threat protection and firewall. So these are the protections we have to implement. We have to install these softwares to protect from malwares and other viruses. So the another viruses are Trojan horses. Trojan horses are email viruses that can duplicate themselves, steal information, or harm the computer system. So these viruses are the most serious threats to computers. So okay, so whenever we'll open our email ID, so don't open the spam messages or any junk messages if you don't know really who are the senders, recipients. So if you open that, automatically it will affect your system. So that virus is called as Trojan horses. So how to avoid Trojan horses? We have to install internet security like Avast, Quickle internet security, so that it will find out the Trojan horses viruses. Okay, next one is password cracking. This is very most important. Password attacks are attacks by hackers. The hackers work is they will crack the password, whatever we have given, so that are able to determine passwords and or find passwords to different protected areas and social network sites. Okay, so we are using social network sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube. So they will hack our social network sites. So we have to give strong password. We have to change our password within a week, or we have to always log out our social network sites so that hackers cannot hack our social network IDs, okay, accounts. So also we have to use two steps verification, Google verification, so that it will also protect. So that is the very most important. How to secure password? Use always strong password. Never use same password for two different sites. Change your password if you are using different social network sites. So always also use create a strong password that combines letters, numbers and special characters, and change your password regularly. Do not use the same password across multiple websites. So So conclusion, I hope that my presentation will be helpful for my audience to improve their knowledge about cyber security and to overcome several security loopholes on their computer operation. Okay, so also it helps to spread awareness among normal people about emerging security threats. So simple and practical prevention methods are explained in the seminar to prevent PCs from infection. Okay, so this is all about cyber security. We have to protect our systems accounts ourselves. So nowadays it is very much growing cyber crime. So never miss a video. Subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, to get updated videos. So cyber security is everyone's responsibility. We have to hands together to protect cyber crime. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Keep watching.